boys and girls. We are going to have our math lesson, and we are on math lesson 8-5. So today, I'll move this up closer. Today we will use the minus sign by writing subtraction problems. So here are our key words: minus and subtract. So we will be writing subtraction problem using the minus. And over here I have minus and subtract. Those are key words we'll be using throughout this lesson. For this lesson, you will need a blank piece of paper, a marker. If you have a dry erase marker, you can use it, and a big Ziploc bag. So the big Ziploc bag you'll use as a dry erase with your dry erase marker. So you could use this over and over. If not, a blank piece of paper is perfect. Your blank piece of paper, you're gonna fold it in half. Fold it in half again. And then in half. So you could ask your mom, dad, grandma, grandpa, whoever can help you. So you should have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then with your marker, you'll go ahead and draw the lines. So this is how your finished paper should look. If you have the dry erase marker, all you need to do is have a parent on the paper write a line with the minus and a line, put it inside the Ziploc bag, and you're able to use it and erase it, and it serves for future lessons as well. So either way, you can use it with the Ziploc, or you can use it this way. So whichever way works. So today, I'm going to be going over different subtraction problems, and you are going to have to listen to the story and then figure out what the subtraction problem is. We are going to use the word minus, and it's the minus sign. So what word are we going to focus on? Minus. Say it with me. Minus. So let's go over our objective for today. I know I read it before again, but this time we're going to read it, and I want you to repeat it with me. So my turn, your turn. Today we will use the minus sign by writing subtraction problems. So our key words today are minus. Say the word minus. And subtract. Say the word subtract. So our goal by the end of this lesson is you should be able to listen to a story problem and write the two numbers using the minus. So I hope we're able to do it, and if not, we can always do another lesson to work on it more. I know subtraction can always be harder than addition, but no worries, we'll figure this out together. So here we go. So if you're using the paper, on the first square, I want you to draw 5 stars. So go ahead and draw 5 stars. Okay, here's my problem. I saw 5 stars in the sky. 3 stars disappeared. How many stars are left? So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 stars. How many stars disappeared? Yes, 3 stars. So I'm going to X. 1, 2, 3. So how many stars did we start off with? We started off with 5 stars. So you're going to write the number 5. How many stars disappeared? We X'd 1, 2, 3. So 5 minus 3. So if you're using this, this is how you would write it. If you're using the paper, you'll write it below the stars. So I'm going to write 5 minus 3. That's all you have to do. We're not writing how many are left or anything yet. We'll do that next lesson. Our lesson today is just to focus on what two numbers, what you started with, what you took away, and the minus. That's all we're focusing on. All right, let's look at the next one. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 pebbles. 1 pebble rolled away. So how many pebbles rolled away? 1. So we're going to X 1. How many pebbles did we start off with? Yes, we started off with 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we first write 4. What sign are we using? Who remembers? Yes, it's the minus sign. So remember what the minus sign is. And how many pebbles rolled off? Good job. 1 pebble. That's all you need to do. 4 minus 1. So we're subtracting the 1 that rolled away. Very good. Remember, parents, if you need to pause it to give your child more time for the illustrating, go ahead and do it. If not, we may continue on. Okay, let's look at the triangles. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 triangles. I gave 4 triangles to my brother. So I have 6 triangles. How many triangles did I give to my brother? 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 6 minus how many? Good job. 4. That's all we're doing. 6 minus 4. Very good. Let's go on to our happy faces. So here we go. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We have 8 happy faces. 5 happy faces were erased. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So how many happy faces did we start off with? Yes, we started off with 8 happy faces. So we have 8 minus 5. Very good. Let's go on to the next one. We have the squares. How many squares do we have, boys and girls? Yes, we have 3 squares. So I have 3 squares. I didn't give any of them away. I kept all the squares. So am I going to X any of the squares? No, because I'm keeping them. So I'm going to do 3 minus 0. That one was a tricky one because I didn't take any squares away. I did not give any away. I stayed with the 3 squares. So 3 minus 0 because I didn't take any away. Okay, let's look at the houses. Can you count the houses for me and tell me how many we have? Yes, we have 5 houses. So I made 5 houses out of Legos. 4 of my houses broke. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So 5 minus, how many of my houses broke? Yes, 4. So 5 minus 4. Okay, let's look at the zigzags. Can you go ahead and count the zigzags for me, please? There are these ones, like the letter Z's. How many zigzags did you guys count? Yes, there are 7 zigzags. So I wrote 7 zigzags. I erased 2 of them. So what's my problem? 7 minus, how many? 2, very good. 7 minus 2. Now let's look at our last one. So can you count the rectangles for me? How many rectangles did you guys count? Yes, there are 6 rectangles. So I have 6 rectangles. I lost all 6 of them. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So what's my problem going to be? I started off with 6. I lost all of them, all 6 of them. So what is it going to be? 6 minus 6. Very good. Good job. In our next math lesson, we will be writing the full subtraction problem with the minus and the equal sign. So I look forward to our next lesson, and let's go over our key words. So our key word for this lesson was minus and subtract. What was it? Minus and subtract. And our focus is today we use the minus sign by writing subtraction problems. I look forward to seeing you guys next lesson. I hope you have a great rest of the week. Bye.